zSpace is really spectacular.
Amazing.
It's just awesome.
Wow.
Amazing.
It's a really cool experience.
Awesome. It's fun.
This is a game changer.
zSpace is a headset-free augmented and virtual reality solution that includes our hardware, software, standards-aligned lessons and activities, plus the professional learning and support to ensure a successful implementation, empowering students to do things that would otherwise be too dangerous, impossible, counterproductive, or expensive to do. Schools across the world are using zSpace and realizing its impact.
It is so fun and it's so engaging.
You can try new things that you wouldn't have tried before that.
They get a more in-depth understanding of the concept.
It creates a level of understanding easily and effectively.
zSpace has actually had a truly huge impact on student learning, student growth, student achievement.
They also learn a little bit about communication skills and teamwork and problem solving and those career type skills that we want.
From a workforce development training, zSpace has been amazing.
zSpace can impact students' skills for future careers because we believe that students should take ownership of their learning.